This Paramount Homes real estate company property video is presented by Aldrin Taliman. Well-maintained and good condition house that sits on a corner lot. Roof was replaced in 2017. You'll have a peace of mind during the hot summer days or cold winter nights because air handler was replaced in 2018 and condenser was replaced in 2017. Hot water tank was replaced as well in 2018. French door in patio was installed May of 2021. Love gardening or just playing around with kids? Backyard has a good space with water well that was installed in 2020. Stainless steel matching appliances in the kitchen for modern look. Want a man cave? This home has 2 living rooms. For more information, review the details below or contact Aldrin Taliman at 580-237-6200.